Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Joy Vitamin C Gel. This amazing product is designed to brighten your skin and reduce the appearance of dark spots. It contains active vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps improve your overall skin texture and tone. The lightweight gel formula absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. Get ready to discover a radiant complexion. Now, let's talk about application. First, ensure your face is thoroughly cleansed. Then, take just a small, pea-sized amount of the gel onto your fingertips. Gently massage it evenly onto your face and neck, using upward strokes until fully absorbed. For optimal results, incorporate this step into your routine once or twice daily, morning and evening. To get the most out of your Joy Vitamin C Gel, remember a few key tips. Always apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen every day, as vitamin C can increase sun sensitivity. Store your gel in a cool, dark place to maintain its potency. If you have sensitive skin, perform a quick patch test first. Combining it with your favorite moisturizer can also boost hydration. You can expect to see visible improvements in your skin's radiance and a reduction in dark spots within just a few weeks of consistent use. This gel is generally suitable for most skin types, including sensitive ones. Over time, it can also help diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. If you experience any irritation, please consult a dermatologist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.